Good afternoon, everyone. A warm welcome to Gemsland Online School. In our science lesson, we've been learning all about animals, including humans. And in today's lesson, we're going to be learning all about our teeth and caring for our teeth. So there are 4 different types of tooth: the incisors, the canines, the premolars, and the molars. These different teeth have different jobs. The incisors. These are cutting teeth used for cutting and biting off pieces of food. The canines. These are long and sharp teeth that are used to hold and tear at food. Premolars. These teeth are used to crush and grind soft food. Molars. These teeth are used for chewing and grinding hard food. Teeth and animals. Different animals have different sets of teeth depending on the type of food that they eat. Revise the following words: herbivore, omnivore, and carnivore. Think. Do you think a herbivore will have a different set of teeth compared to a carnivore? Think about it. Why? Why do you think so? What types of teeth does an omnivore have? What kind of teeth does a sheep have? The herbivore teeth. Herbivores, they're plant eaters. They have incisors to bite off leaves and molars to grind the leaves. So they basically have the incisor and the molar and premolar. Herbs. Herbivore. From the word herbs, they eat plants. What kind of teeth does a lion have? Carnivores, meat eaters. They have sharp canines to kill other animals and tear the flesh. So they have the incisors, they have the canine, they have the molars and the premolars, just like the humans. What kind of teeth do we have? In adults between the age of 21 to 25 years old would have permanent teeth, permanent adult teeth. And so the teeth have been color coded. The yellow is the second premolar bicuspid. The blue is first molar. The green is the second molar. The light green is the third molar. Then we have the central incisor, which is at the center. Then we have the lateral incisor, like brownish, very close to the green. Then we have the cuspid canine, which is pinkish, and then the light blue, which is the first premolar bicuspid. Animals and their teeth. Animals and their teeth. From what we have just learned, which animal's teeth is this? Herbivore, omnivore, or carnivore? Get your writing materials and a and a notepad and a pencil and just write the answer. Is it herbivore, herbivore, or carnivore? It's a shark. It's a carnivore. You can see it's sharp with incisors. What about this? Which animal's teeth? Herbivore, omnivore, or carnivore? You're correct if you wrote a goat because of the horn. It's a herbivore. A goat feeds on leaves and plants. Which animal's teeth are these? Herbivore, omnivore, or carnivore? They are human, so they are omnivore. Which animal's teeth are these? Herbivore, omnivore, or carnivore? You can see the sharp canine there. It's a bear, omnivore. You have both the molars and the sharp canine and the incisors as well. This is a pretty funny one. Which animal's teeth? Herbivore, omnivore, or carnivore? Alligator is a carnivore. Again, it has a sharp canine. This is definitely... Which animal's teeth is this? Lots of premolar and molars for chewing. Horse, herbivore. Absolutely correct. No canine. All right, so well done. Well done, well done. You need to move on. Yes. So we're going to look at teeth and healthy eating. Teeth and healthy eating. Teeth and healthy eating. Teeth are made from a hard substance called enamel. So the first teeth, sometimes called the baby teeth, we have the incisors, the canines, and the molars. We already established that there are 4 different types of teeth: incisors and canines, molars, and premolars. Excellent. What do the different teeth do? Incisors for cutting, canine for tearing, premolars for ripping, and molars for chewing. How can I look after my teeth? You can look after your teeth by brushing your teeth twice a day. Try not to eat too many sweets. Visit the dentist twice a year. What foods are good for our teeth? You have your milk, water, egg, fish, tomatoes, vegetables, meat, eggs, cheese, potatoes, etc., crayfish, and all of that. Foods that cause tooth decay: cakes, sweet things, tea, ice cream, and all of that. Desserts. How are cavities caused? Bacteria causes a buildup of plaque. Plaque acid attacks the tooth. The tooth eventually rots away. What are the parts of a tooth? We have the enamel, the dentine, the pulp or nerve, the bone, and this is a cross-section of a tooth. So what do I do to keep my teeth healthy? Brush regularly, visit the dentist, floss, eat sensibly, look after your gums. Thank you for watching our presentation.